Now that your field tester is configured and connected, let's take it on a real-world range test to find signal strengths, weak spots, and export test results you can actually use. To begin, go to Test Mode, Start Test. The screen now shows live metrics like RSSI, SNR, packet loss, and gateway count. You can also fine-tune your test using the Settings menu, adjust data rate, transmit power, interval, and even backlight. Each test point must be labeled, especially for indoor tests where GPS isn't available. Without a label, that point won't appear in your final report. Walk through your test area and pause at key locations. Observe the metrics. Want immediate results? Just double-press the button to send a Force Uplink. Use Force Uplink to test how different settings affect signal, or to manually trigger link check downlink. Once you're done testing, open the Field Test Extension UI on your WisGate gateway and click Export. Each labeled test point appears as a row, helping you map signal quality across your environment. This is how Field Tester Plus turns signal testing into real, usable data.